Type in the search bar, then proceed to the official government website. Scroll down on this page and click the button to continue. Select the province where the application was submitted. Select the office to collect your card. Choose the option for collecting your residence permit and click the button to continue. On this page, you can see the number of the last batch received by the office. This helps you check if your residence permit is ready for collection. You can also double-check the list of documents you need to bring with you to the police office. Click the button to continue. Fill in the required personal details. Click the button to continue. On this page, you can request an appointment, check the details of your appointment, annul your appointment. Click the button to request. Enter a Spanish phone number and your email address. Click the button to continue. Here you can select an available appointment. Enter the CAPTCHA. Note, you have 5 minutes to fill in this data. If you're sure about the selected date and time, click to continue and then confirm the appointment. Double-check all the details. Enter the code sent to your phone. Check the boxes to confirm the information and agree to receive appointment details by email. If everything is correct, click to confirm. This is your appointment confirmation number. Make sure to save it. These are the details of your confirmed appointment. At the bottom of the page, you can click to print. After printing, click the exit button. Your appointment is now booked.